Top 5 Credit Cards That Pay You to Use Them, 2025 Guide. With the right credit card, your everyday spending can become a source of steady cashback, rewards, and exclusive perks. Some credit cards are more than just payment tools, they actually pay you to use them. Whether you're looking for cashback, travel points, or flexible reward systems, the best cards in 2025 are offering generous welcome bonuses, ongoing rewards, and powerful tools to help you maximize your spending. Here are the top 5 credit cards that pay you to use them in 2025, tailored for various spending styles and financial goals. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Registered Trademark Card. Credit Card Overview. The Chase Sapphire Preferred remains one of the best overall credit cards in 2025, especially for travelers and those who like to optimize their spending with point transfer options. Wrapped Present Welcome Bonus. 75,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards Registered Trademark Points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, worth up to $937.50 when redeemed through Chase Travel. Money with Wings Rewards. 5x points on travel purchased through Chase Travel. 3x points on dining, online grocery, and select streaming services. 2x on all other travel purchases. 1x on everything else. Redemption options. Points are worth 25% more when redeemed for travel through Chase Travel. Transfer points at a 1:1 ratio to top airline and hotel partners. Extra perks. Trip cancellation/interruption insurance. Purchase protection. No foreign transaction fees. Money back annual fee, $95. White heavy check mark best for frequent travelers. People who want to maximize flexible rewards. Those looking for great value without a high annual fee. 2. Citi Registered Trademark Double Cash Card. Credit Card Overview. If you want straightforward cash back without tracking categories, the Citi Registered Trademark Double Cash Card is a powerhouse that effectively pays you 2% on every dollar you spend. Wrapped Present Welcome Bonus. $200 cash back after spending $1,500 in the first 6 months, may vary by offer. Money with Wings Rewards. 1% when you make a purchase. 1% when you pay it off. That's 2% total cash back on every purchase. Redemption options. Cash back is a statement credit, direct deposit, or check. Can convert cash back into Citi Thank You registered trademark points for travel partners if you also have a Citi Premier registered trademark card. Extra perks. No annual fee. 0% intro APR for 18 months on balance transfers. Money back annual fee, $0. White heavy check mark best for people who prefer simple cash back. Budget conscious users. Those managing large balance transfers. 3. American Express Registered Trademark Blue Cash Preferred Registered Trademark Card. Credit Card Overview. This card is ideal for families or big spenders in groceries and streaming, offering 6% cash back on top categories and enough perks to justify the annual fee. Wrapped Present Welcome Bonus. $300 statement credit after spending $3,000 in the first 6 months. Money with Wings Rewards. 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, on up to $6,000/year, then 1%. 6% on select U.S. streaming services. 3% at U.S. gas stations and transit. 1% on all other purchases. Redemption options. Cashback as statement credits. Extra perks. Purchase protection. Return protection. Car rental insurance. Money back annual fee, $95, waived the first year. White heavy check mark best for households with high grocery and streaming expenses. Families who value cash back over travel points. Everyday spenders looking to maximize category rewards. 4. Discover It Registered Trademark Cashback. Credit Card Overview. With rotating categories that offer 5% cashback, a dollar-for-dollar cashback match in the first year, and no annual fee, the Discover It registered trademark cashback card rewards users right from the start. Wrapped present welcome bonus. Cashback match. All the cashback you earn in the first year is matched dollar for dollar, e.g., $300 becomes $600. Money with Wings rewards. 5% cashback in rotating quarterly categories, on up to $1,500 in purchases, requires activation. 1% on all other purchases. Extra perks. No foreign transaction fees. Free FICO registered trademark score. 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. Money back annual fee, $0. White heavy check mark best for people who want maximum cashback potential without paying a fee. Those who enjoy rotating bonus categories. First-time credit card users or students. 5 Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. Credit Card Overview. This card offers 2x miles on every purchase, making it one of the simplest and most rewarding travel cards on the market. Miles can be redeemed for any travel purchase, flights, hotels, rental cars, and transferred to travel partners. Wrapped present welcome bonus. 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, worth up to $750 in travel. Money with Wings rewards. 2x miles on every purchase. 5x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Redemption options. Travel purchases via Capital One Travel. Transfer miles to 15+ airline and hotel loyalty programs. Cover past travel purchases using miles. Extra perks. 2 free airport lounge visits annually, Capital One Lounges or Plaza Premium. Global Entry or TSA PreCheck registered trademark credit. No foreign transaction fees. Money back annual fee, $95. White heavy check mark best for frequent travelers who want flexibility. Users who want to keep it simple, flat rewards rate. People who value travel perks and redemptions. Trophy honorable mentions. If the top 5 above don't quite fit your lifestyle, here are a few runner UPS that are still worth considering. Small Blue Diamond Wells Fargo Active Cash registered trademark card. Flat 2% cash back on all purchases. $200 bonus. No annual fee. Small Blue Diamond Chase Freedom Unlimited registered trademark. 1.5% cash back on all purchases. 5% on travel through Chase, 3% on dining/drugstores. Great introductory APR. Small Blue Diamond Apple Card. 3% on Apple and select merchants, 2% via Apple Pay, 1% otherwise. Daily cash rewards with no waiting. Best for iPhone users. Electric light bulb. How to choose the best credit card for you. Even with all these rewards, not every card is ideal for every person. Ask yourself. Do you prefer cashback or travel rewards? Are you willing to track rotating categories? Do you spend a lot in specific areas like groceries or dining? Can you meet the minimum spend for the welcome bonus? Are you okay with paying an annual fee if the rewards are worth it? Also, watch out for interest rates and always pay your balance in full if possible, otherwise, the rewards are negated by high interest. Rocket final thoughts. The right credit card doesn't just help you pay, it helps you earn. From everyday expenses like groceries and gas to big-ticket travel purchases, these top credit cards in 2025 let you turn your spending into valuable rewards. Whether you want to rack up miles, get cash back every time you swipe, or take advantage of powerful travel benefits, there's a card on this list that's designed to pay you back. Choose the one that best matches your lifestyle and get paid to spend smarter.